Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to auto blend in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, create a new project and open two images. Hold Control. Example, I use two images, 1 and 2. Okay. Then select the Move tool and first of all use side blend or face blend as you wish and use side blend. First of all, adjust your image. You use perfectly. Then hold Shift or Control. Go to the tab Auto Blend. See this. And step 2. Layer mask. Right click. Convert to smart object. Rasterize. Okay. Then replace. Hold Control. Edit tab Auto Blend. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.